I knew it. JJ is like a child in that when you tell her to do something that you know she has to do, she doesn't want to do it. Like I was said, go outside and go poop. She wanted to go back to bed, which we'll go back to bed, but I wanted her to poop. And she went outside, she's like moping, and then she poops because I knew she had to poop. So now she's going to be pokey. It's like 7 something in the morning here. My hostas are coming up nice. And that one rogue daffodil. Oh yeah. Yep. Squirrels and chipmunks plant trees. In case you didn't know. And on that note, I'm going back to bed. Today's supposed to be cloudy and rainy and slightly cold. Like slightly cold, I mean like in the 50s. Spring in May. Spring in May. Gigi, you gotta go outside? Okay, go outside. You get up, you go to the bathroom, you go back to sleep. Normally, when you get up and you go to the bathroom, you get ready for your work day, you don't have to go to the bathroom for a while. But you get up, but then if you get up and go back to sleep, and when you get up again, you have to go to the bathroom again. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I gotta do that right now, and I'm waiting on the dog. Hey, we got all the dandelions. They started popping up. Dandelions are not weeds. A weed is technically anything growing in your garden that you don't want there. That is technically a weed. I want dandelions because they are the bees' first source of food, the bumblebees, not the hornets and yellow jackets and things. I gotta pee, hold on. What a crabby looking day. It's supposed to be raining later. I still got a tent up there. I must have had some live music or something across the way at the golf course. I'm reheating my General's chicken. This is what it looks like when you just dump it in on the plate. Dump it over. We had ordered some noodles. Russ's chow mein noodles. But they didn't come. Not really sure what happened there. Okay. We got a bunch of extra rice. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. 1 minute. I just looked in the dishwasher, the refrigerator. What's this out? And it's there. His chicken chow mein is what he ordered. It's there. So I don't know why he thought it wasn't there. These are very hefty forks. I like them though. Alright, now gotta break it up. Breaking up is hard to do. 1 moment again. I took the broccoli off. Oh, jeez. Making a mess. Jenny, making a mess. Cooked broccoli. Cooked broccoli is gross. I don't like it. I won't eat it. So I must throw it away. We'll actually put the broccoli part in the sink so we can disposal it. Plastic in there. The garbage. Everything in the garbage. Oh. Okay, that's it. Alright, bye. Hot. I'm watching Jimmy Fallon. I put the fried noodles on top of the General Tso's. The General Tso's chicken Tso's to Tso's. The T is silent, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Okay, bye. Spot treatment. Except I can't see. I got no glasses on and I didn't put my contact lens in. I just put it on. Looks like a punctuation mark or something. I don't know. This mask is still, I'm undecided if it actually works. You know, I've been using it. I bought it 3 weeks ago. This is the third time using it. And the first time I did the whole face. Second time I just did under here. Then obviously third time is this mess that you see on my face right here. It has rained. I don't know if it's still raining. Oh, don't mind me just running into furniture. Like to do. Well, I don't even know why I'm bothering. I can't see. Let me hear. No, it is not raining. It's not raining. I have a feeling that this summer is going to be very muggy, very infested with bugs, mostly mosquitoes. So, I read somewhere that lemongrass is supposed to deter the mosquitoes. You could also plant a citronella plant. But I guess those things are hard to manage. And for someone who doesn't have a green thumb, like me, it wouldn't be a good thing. So anyways, continuing to watch TV. We have no plans today. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Attempting to
This is from my chin.
a fragile office chair. Okay.
See, down here it didn't get all the way dry, but it still came off. Come on. Trying to see, like this part. Didn't really have anything. Didn't have anything on it. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. I gotta take off my face. Look at that. My eyes are watering. Can you see? Took all my stuff out of my nose. I put it, you can see like my nostril part. Woo. Woo. Hey, there we go, yeah. Now I got most of it off. I gotta take some hot water to my face. Yeah. It's 5:30 and we've done nothing all day. So it was raining. Obviously it dried some and it was starting to rain again. It's I really should clean this duck poop off my window here. I got some vinegar and dish soap. Vinegar and dish soap. White vinegar and dish soap. It really is the universal cleaner. It really is. I should just spray that on there. Got a squeegee in my car. And I could get that out and just squeegee my window. I should do that.
This last one is from Brenda the Goat.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm outside. Oh, unscrew the thing. It sprinkles out here. I dropped my phone. And the kickstand that I had on the back is broken off now. See? I did the screw. I might as well clean the whole thing, right? Let's just do that. So, instead of the squeegee, I've got some newspaper. Just gonna wipe that off. Nice. It's been on there so long, it's kind of dried. Well, kinda, it is dry. And we'll just squeeze. Wipe it off. And that's how you clean a window. It's not very clean. So my dad told me to get streak-free windows to use newspaper. Well, I find that's not always true. So I'm using newspaper. And I guess you're supposed to use Windex or whatever. Windex is supposed to be streak-free, right? There we go. Cleaned. Also cleaned. So, since I dropped my phone and I no longer have a kickstand on my phone cover, suppose I'll just have to buy a new phone cover. Oh, just grabbing the mail. Got the mails. Grab the mails. Mails! So with a me, make a woman. Jimmy Fallon, you know. Watching Jimmy Fallon. Catching up on Jimmy Fallon, I should say. Ooh, I've got a couple things, which are probably bills. Anywho. Alright, so I get to pick out a new phone cover. Okay, bye. It's that time of the day. It's the time of the day to feed the JJ. Time of the day. I got it. This what you want, JJ? Did you want food? Yes. Yeah. Sit. Sit. Stay. Oops. Look what I did. Eat. I made a mess. Well, the vacuum will clean it up. Won't you vacuum? Oops. I know you will. Right now, my phone is on dark mode because it's about to die. So, I'm gonna plug it in and let it sit. Talk at you later. As you can see, I'm in the car. As you can also probably see, whoops, I just honked the horn by accident. It's dark. Well, it's not super dark. You probably can't see how dark it is. I wonder if I can change the light. Changing of lighting. Did that help? No, it didn't. I have no idea what's going on. I don't know how to change things on my phone while it's recording. I think I have to do that before I record. Anyway, I'm on my way to the grocery store. Just around, it's Pick and Save. just around the corner, but I'm not gonna walk there. It's only 53 degrees. I don't want to walk to Pick and Save 53 degrees. I don't care if it's a block and a half away. Anyway, I need some milk. Pick up some milk. Russ wants some drink, which basically just means something that's not milk. So I'm gonna see if they have those 10 for 10 deals on some beverages. Get some juice, some, you know, sugar-free stuff or naturally sweetened stuff that won't rot our teeth out, that kind of stuff. But more importantly, I need some milk. We need milk, and I hope it's on sale. Milk is so good. Milk does a body good. Pass it on. Pass it on. So, you know, cereal commercials, when they show you the bowl of cereal and you can see the milk in the cereal, that's not milk. That's actually glue. Bet you didn't know that. And it's glue. Yeah. Pictures of food on TV are fake. They're real. They were at one point real food. This guy behind me is very close up, and I do not enjoy it at all. So, I'm going the wrong way. I will talk to you later. Okay, bye. Coming to the grocery store later at night is definitely the best option. There's a person right there. Okay, I'm gonna finish my shopping. So far I have many beverages. I took the tiny cart. Okay, bye. Singing a song, laughing along, singing a song. Sing a song, song a sing, song, 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 sing, 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 song. Song, 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 sing, 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 song. Oh, I ran over the curb. Sing a song, sing a song. You can sing song, sing a song. Sing song, sing. There were a lot of beverages on sale. They had the 10 for 10. They had the milk was on sale. Oh, so dark. The milk was on sale. Some juice was on sale. I got all kinds of beverages. Life water was on sale for 89 cents a piece. I got 2 of each of them bitches. Yeah, so we got a lot of beverages. And I picked up a head of lettuce and some shredded cheese. I felt like salad. Salad should be good. Sorry about the darkness, but you know, it is 9:09 in the PM. It's gonna be dark. So, that's it for now. I'll see you inside. Good evening. I think it's like midnight. It's 12:06. I was watching Saturday Night Live. Not the newest one. We're actually a few weeks behind on SNL. But, we're watching the one that had the Black Panther guy on it. I forget what his name is. He played Black Panther. Russ has fallen asleep on the couch. I said good night very loudly to him, and his eyes opened. But he is asleep again. Later this afternoon, Makai texted me asking if I was doing anything tomorrow. Like, no, I'm not doing anything tomorrow. He's like, I want to come over and do some work for you. I'm like, well, I don't have any money to pay you for the work. And, he's like, oh, man. So, the only reason my nephew wants to see me is to come over to do work, but get paid for the work, which is it's good. You know, he wants to earn some monies, which is great. You know, he's 12, I think. Yeah, he's 12. It's his last year of being a preteen, and so he's learning responsibilities. The trouble is, when he does the work, he does not finish the work. Or when he starts the work, he doesn't finish the work. Last time he came over to earn some money, I had him mow the lawn. He mowed half of the backyard. And that's it. So, I would actually have him mow the lawn if I had monies, some spare monies to give to him. But at the moment, we don't. Yeah, so, as you can see, I'm getting ready for bed. Whoops. That was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, just getting ready for bed. I don't really have anything to say. Today was like Sunday, in that we don't do anything. The only reason we didn't do anything today is because it was rainy and cold. The only thing productive I did today was go out and get some beverages for stuff to drink at home. I only wanted milk, but Russ wanted other things to drink other than water, because he doesn't drink milk. But, anyways, I got nothing else to add. I'm just gonna go to bed now. Please enjoy the rest of your weekend. We'll see you Monday. Toodles!